Welcome to Bad Homburg Christmas market.
Today we're going to see how much you can get for 20 euros. Came here on opening night where it was really busy and bitterly cold, but we got to see the stalls and we decided to come back and test it out again. So a Glühwein and a hot chocolate was 11 euros in total, but that included the Pfand, which means you pay for the cup, and if you don't want it, you can give it back and get your money back, or, because these are quite nice cups, we might keep these and take them home with us. So for lunch we got chips for Sass, and for me I got a fish sandwich. Not exactly what I was expecting on a cold day, but oh well. In total they cost 7 euros, so our time in Bad Homburg Christmas market cost us 18 euros in total.